welcome back. I feel like it's so long since I've seen you guys, but it's just been a week for you guys, so awesome. But it's been like a month since I sat down here, which is why I planned so far in advance so that I could do that. And we're gonna get started again. I have Christmas nails on because it's not Christmas yet, and I'm planning for the next week in January, which will be the week with my birthday in it. So I'm gonna do that. Obviously, again, it's a little early, but I feel like if I plan it this early like this, then it lets me stay on track and get videos out for you guys. So hopefully you like it, and yeah, let's just get started. So like I said, this is my birthday. I picked out Modern Farmhouse and Fancy Florals. They both have like peachy, pinky colors in them, so I thought they would match well. I'm going to use this habit tracker, which has like a little bit of a misprint, but it's okay. And then this page of habit trackers will be done. White out first. And I need a meal plan, and these will both be like to-do lists. One like a weekly checklist that I make, and then the other will be like activities that I do with my children. And those 3 boxes are basically all I need. Sometimes I put in an exercise list or a quote, so I might do that depending on what stickers we see. So I'm really just gonna do that. I'll probably fast forward through a lot of it, and just pop in when I have something that I need to say. Oh, and this sticker book I've used like quite a bit of it, so that's kind of another motivation for using it this week, is that like I'm just trying to use up my sticker books because I'm running out of room in my sticker book area, so I need to use up sticker books before I get new sticker books. And the 13th is National Sticker Day, so that's also kind of cool. We'll probably put something in there for that. And the 16th is my birthday, so. Okay, yeah, so that's where I'm gonna stop. It's kind of busy too, but I had to keep adding stuff to like balance it out, I guess. But I like it. It's not bad. So if you like it, let me know in the comments or just like the video. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more and you have not already done so. And I actually only ever used Modern Farmhouse. I didn't end up using any fancy florals. I just was doing good, just using up stickers. Yeah, so I used a lot and we're getting there. So I might try and use more stickers from there, like in spreads, even if that's not like the main theme or whatever, just because we're like so close. So yeah, see you next week. Bye.